The latest trailer of Uthando Nes'thembu has once again proven why the show remains one of Mzansi's most talked about reality series. Nes'thembu's pregnancy reveal didn't just shake her family, it set social media on fire. After the clip aired on Mzansi Magic, viewers quickly took sides, turning the moment into a nationwide debate. While Imacele's strong reaction grabbed headlines, many fans shifted the spotlight to Msamseleko, questioning how he will respond and whether the growing family aligns with his long-standing views about expanding the Mseleko legacy. Instead of just family conflict, this moment highlights how reality TV blurs the line between private life and public opinion. Every emotional reaction, every decision, and every consequences plays out in front of millions, giving viewers the power to judge, defend, or even joke about deeply personal matters. Now the big question isn't only about the pregnancy, it's about how this storyline will shape the rest of the season and whether the Mseleko family can navigate the pressure that comes with living their truth on national television.